this land of glory, we the Ambazonia, society. Present to our Savior who granted us the freedom, and led us to the hero who brought the lonely gather. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Here in a nation, flowing with earth and holy. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation and joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Welcome, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon territory. Welcome, good citizen of Ambazonia, at home and abroad. I salute all now for this platform. Welcome to the critical analysis. Now, the No Conny Talk show, a No Conny Talk presentation for our revolution. Now, me, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, Ambazonia, FBI, two-side callers, una own countryman. Now, me, I be una host today. I want to take the time to salute all man for house. And as our tradition it be, I go first. We don't go through our national anthem. I will play some music for welcome only man. And it's smart because I don't see my very good and my own. But not talk. But I'll be all man be welcome for house. All man be welcome for house. So we go start. We get a very short presentation for today. We go cut right through the chase and we will give una this presentation. And we will talk about the latest movie with film Masha Idamekam. We will also focus on three major primary issues. One will be the peace we then established back for Kugwe. We will bring on the footages of our Supreme Commander and our leader for Ground Zero, General Ifang. We will present on those videos them. They then get a whole week of celebration for Kugwe. We include games and parties and drinking and celebration for the new peace way that exists for Kugwe. The blockade will be there for Kugwe then be open, all the issues that then be resolved. So once more, all now welcome. I see Hilda, you don't change your name. I see all my already for the Rogers for the. We'll get a lot of things to do within a very short period of time. So I go right away for play on a song. I go use now for welcome all man for house. So now the song this now Boys Daft, Rest in Peace. Now a song for memory for all man we eat and die for this our struggle. I see Gabeshina de for house. Teku Emilia welcome. All now be welcome. And Caro welcome for house. Welcome for house. There is news also about the Big Brother Cameroon. You know, if you imagine these people, they're not comedians. We get the issue for the Big Brother Cameroon. We will talk and we will give us some footages. A lot of things that they go bed, we will reduce them very short. Our new brigade will then open up for the Atlantic State. It then they kick into gear. They then begin to Kale around all those areas there. So some presentation day. Wanna give me a minute, ma get this note.
Brother Chop though we no be forget you. With your money we no say you don't go. We no go forget you. We no say you don't go. We no go forget you. Brother Scoopy we no be forget you. Grand Joji we no be forget you. As I be say you don't go, but I no go forget you. We no say.
Okay, we get very very important message from our general for Bamenda, the Bamenda Brigade. We will also announce Abu Free No begin try me, eh? Oh, mommy, welcome. We get very important announcement for the people there for our capital city for Bamenda, from our general for day, and our brigade for Fundong. It then begin give you some very disturbing report. We don't see the first kidnapping for ransom for Ginicom. When I not say Ginicom, now for day way the forces for the British Southern Cameroon resistance forces, they come out, most of them come out for day. Now General Gola he based that, now Anthony he based that. So we don't get the first report for a kidnapping for ransom where it be very disturbing. It be the same like the one way it be happen for Ndop. We hope say no be the same thing they go start be replicated for inside the state of Oyo. We will follow them up. We will follow up with those actors. Then we'll try to liaise with them to make sure say me the population they be protected and meet the revolution ultimately. So all Mami welcome for House Bush, welcome Roger Desmond Tutu, welcome Daddy the Boss, welcome Joshua Amber, welcome. I salute all now for Ground Zero. Baye, I salute Baye, General Baye, Commander Small Pikin. I salute una all. La Vista General Hassan, Caporal. I salute una all for Ground Zero. And I salute una the one the way, the day for Insta Forest and our refugee for Nigeria. Now come good, we will hit this road to go straight because now already 1 o'clock for Hong Kong time. So now already Monday this for Hong Kong. But now Sunday for Ground Zero, and I think about 7 p.m. and the same time for Europe. So Rosie Bush, welcome. Everybody be welcome for the house, and any community with information house that
we no be forget you. We no go forget you. We no be forget you. Kigola, we no be forget you.
Yes, we no be forget you. We no be forget all the people the way. They don't pay the ultimate sacrifice for make sure Semi and Bazonia get independence, and all the victims them for the murder machine, the genocidal machine for La Republique. The Cameroon will not forget Una, as the musician talk. Now musician waiting for Ground Zero. One thank you for your bravery. So, ladies and gentlemen, Una welcome for this platform. Now the critical analysis. Now no Konitok production. A show will focus for analyze things critically with evidence, because when I notice and say some people they always compare, they talk say, hey, when I talk so the one they talk so, the other one they talk so. The difference now say we get evidence them for back which will they talk them, it be substantiated, the character for those people that will they talk about them themselves it the proof which will they talk them. Any man can accuse any man for do anything, but it be impossible for get proof or substantiation or for the person the character for proof which way they talk. If he back like a duck, he talk like a duck, definitely not a duck. So I don't see Mami find picking down come for us, Mami Irene Ate, or our baby woman the way they live for America day for all around the world na day around. I want for Saluduna. You always find woman they be very powerful. Just the presence of a woman. Florence Waking, it always give strength to know a society women, the woman in the power for society. So we will go directly for our presentation today. Will be very, very important. And before I start, I'll do my opening statement. Today be unscripted, so it go the flow as it come. I want to talk for Ambazonia and I say, by now our population needs to be mature to know the source of their information, to know who be credible and who not be credible. I be very tired for get a lot of inquiry from people the way they go listen from this my country people them, and then they be confused, and then they come back and ask them for verification. By now, when I need to understand say the job for the enemy, their propagandists them now for confuse una, for make sure someone they raise question them for the be on the defensive every time at every turn. So including some of those them way they like Paddy Asangas them for this revolution. Now their job that for begin raise questions them, for begin bring suspicion, for dampen our morale, for suppress the news them for our victory. That is their job. Make una no begin take their material then they can put them for we. By now I believe say if we want independence, what people they need for the demonstrate, say them be mature enough for handle the independence. There is one crucial video there for a duo where it go down for Ground Zero. It try for denigrate the diasporans them, They tell the people of the ground zero say diaspora and them na people the way they dey for inside road, they dey sleep for corner water, they dey sleep for bush, they dey just make propaganda make people they see am. Unfortunately, I no get that video, but eventually I will present another video. Now the type of situation that way, this type of situation of servitude, a situation where they don't create destitution for our population and they want to keep our people them for that level. Now a big disgrace say that particular person and a so-called Anglophone, he make those statements. If they feel say what people that they listen for we because they would portray riches for them. That one it not be true for the platform, it not be true for many of the other platforms. Even when our people they portray those riches, it not be for lure our people them. This revolution be based on justice and on international law. It be triggered by genocidal attack against our own people on unacceptable level of violence from La République du Cameroon. And our people they know and they know better. So I not go deep into that one because I not get the video for sure. But I will definitely just continue with our presentation for today. That will be it for my opening statement. We will start from where to hold the CM for La République, where they don't start their own so-called Big Brother. They get this show for Nigeria, you've done it for South Africa, Nigeria, and a TV show, a reality show, Big Brother show. It show how people that they live, they bring different set of people, then they live together. La République then start its own. And surprisingly, them be focused on the so-called Anglophones and the IDPs. And some of the people, them the crew, them na people they want know them. They don't try to contact me also for talk about them and give me some information about them. It just be surprisingly say at a time when a war they go on for a country, they bring all this type of diversion. Meanwhile, population they focus on entertainment. The way French government will destroy their own culture, but our people they need for disease for this thing. No be a time for celebration now. We know say we go define time within our own private time, even for war. They define time for shidong dancing, but we no go focus on this type of distraction. Nevertheless, you go feel saying that until we go even feel bring distraction. The thing they live, if sometimes you look and the view, the view actually now on this live show is more than the show of the Cameroon Big Brother. It's a disgrace. If there is anything, this show it don't show them for the entire war. Now for make that country a shithole, a comedy country. Cameroon then become a laughing stock because of this show. Make I play the video for the one where I just see and where it don't come out. I put the video at least a show now wait till we talk and then maybe we'll go there together. This show, if you look at for other countries them like Nigeria, it is show the population. You know when they say you be star, it means say you try to project something where people then feel look up to. You project the middle class. You look the one for Nigeria. You see how luxurious life those people that they live on. Look the one for for the so-called Cameroon. The Big Brother this today. I pass the video. Inside this show, when I remember last time we tell about the problem for this country. Say for the Cameroon, all their gas bought to them, it don't expire. Now a big danger that for that country. An irresponsible country. A shithole country. Then feel say we feel live for the people. I say my country people. Now the kind country this, now the kind people that feel say them be capable enough for rebuild a country, let alone rule our country. Now this is one call. So I go play the video for this show. And this show it don't expose La République for the war and for Africa. We don't tell when I said gas bought to them then get a lifespan. For that country, more than 90% of gas bought to them now a time bomb for explode. And people that need to be careful. What will happen for this video, for this their Big Brother, the Cameroon government, it called the producer them for this show for lie about this accident. Then go on for media, go talk say na a microwave. I want to take a look of this video. Now the microwave that wanna look a whole TV show, a reality show for show a life of a country. Now the Cameroon that way they talk. See her kitchen is tight. See see microwave. So small microwave. Now this type of microwave you pass for street along street you see where they run through them. These are the oldest models of microwave. They cannot even portray something to their citizens. Look the microwave. Then live for media when a Cameroon government they talk about because the people that don't give with it way to way happen the story way happen. The Cameroon government, they fear this scandal. Say people they go know for their country, say they no get gas bottle. All gas bottles they are danger. They no fit even be used for Nigeria. The gas bottle they use for that country, they no fit use that even for Nigeria. So after the accident happened, the Cameroon government called the producer me go on for their FM station them for live for their country say na a microwave explode. When I watch the video, see am. When I see am, na gas bottle that explode. When I see am, na fit see am very clearly say no be. Na when I see play the fire come on. Now for gas bottle, live disgrace for the whole world. Me then see the shit whole country. Look am, this chair na office chair them. That's so. They put them there for make show the whole world how poor that country be, irrespective of all our petrol way they don't take out. It show the entire war how poor that country be, how bad it be. Make our people then deceased for even watch this their distraction. Empty last country, empty people then shit no white blast. This Egyptian them. They are hope say this one they will see them tomorrow. They no go see them again for our country. Before the one come, we will be in a war. So maybe we avoid this type of stuff them. We don't also hear say for that shithole country, the German company will be there for will be the sponsor of Brasseries, will be get a stock of Brasseries Heineken. They don't withdraw from Brasseries. They don't also pull out Brasseries from stock exchange market because of the war for Ambazonia. The company no get no prospect again. Imagine a company where they consume for that country the amount of water where they flow for River Wuri for 1 year. That country they drink in terms of alcohol. Even with that consumption, Brasseries it don't withdraw from that. They don't withdraw support for Brasseries. Now for sure, I say that country it no get no future. The country it run down the dust. Now a shithole country where it no get no prospect. The European they run. Even the Russian company where they be bring American exploit oil. African develop their port. They don't run. They bring down a Filipino country. Filipino na a developing country. Just to corner Asia here, they bring them now. They can become be expert of that country. That country is gone. There is no hope. The economy is finished. If they continue the war against Ambazonia, within 2-3 years, that country will have no value. They will have no value. They cannot win this war. They are losing and they are paying a big price for continuing this disastrous war. The international community did know them for who them be and for which way them be. I want to also point out the issue of this terrorist organization, the B. The B is a terrorist organization from La République du Cameroon. They be responsible for killing millions of people across the world because they send them now like mercenaries that go fight war all over the world. Now a country where a private army for Mr. Paul Biya Vondo. They be trained by private contractors them where they work from Israel. They can train this army them. They use them for kill our people across our territory. They are war criminals them. They engage in war crimes. A normal army, you would expect they would arrest people them. But this one they work from quarter to quarter, shoot to kill. They kill people then like sport. When I see the case for Frutus, then just wake up for their office one day say me then go do some go practice have a key Ambazonian them. Then go round money house. Shoot a normal man. I don't get call them from Dubai, from plenty people there that man that help them. Just a normal driver. Then just can kill you for nothing. People they say that man no fit key fly. No be massive way they even join Jangi, even their country in Jangi need to go there because people they make noise. They can assassinate you, tie a hand for back for toxin and amber board. This be them. Now a terrorist force. Now force them like a force the way they commit crimes against humanity, and eventually justice go catch them. For any man way they for the force way na Ambazonia, me they understand. Say for Rwanda, the people that they be behind the killings for Rwanda, they still arrest them till today. Till today. So any man way they for that bill, watch your back. No pull a trigger against a civilian as we don't see them across our national territory. Now, a force way the United States, the ambassador accused them for targeted killing. Now, a force way they don't see action where they kill their own people for northern Cameroon. Now, a force way they don't bring sanction from the most reputable country, the United States of America, remove the country from AGOA. La République du Cameroon, a terrorist country. The United Nations, they don't carry out investigation for the Ngarbu massacre. The investigation will likely show Mr. Paul Biya culpable for the actions of those soldiers because as a commander-in-chief, ultimately, he be the head of the rank, the buck stop with him, and he is likely going to be indicted for crime against humanity and war crimes. So Mr. Paul Biya is destined for the International Criminal Court, and everybody for that country where they participate for this crime them, me they know say them too they will be culpable for their action them, and those where they facilitate them, they not go get any place for hide. So the call all mami will be vigilant for this side in particular. We will also see how Dr. Cho Ayaba, a prominent newspaper for Norway, he then give a big interview for Dr. Cho Ayaba for highlight the war for Ambazonia, how it fight for liberating people them. Somehow distracted them. They don't take and but twist the story as we don't always see them for this struggle. Say their job now for take light, turn them into darkness, and for take darkness for turn them into light. But by now, Ambazonia people they don't wise and they don't know the truth because of a small statement one not even want to make herself. They don't take and twist them. But the blogger them for Europe all across the world they celebrate Dr. Cho Ayaba, the leader of our liberation war, as a hero, as a freedom fighter, a selfless person will be willing to sacrifice his own freedom, his own money, despite a big company we get them, despite the amount of money the way they put inside the struggle, he still be willing to go the extra mile for secure freedom for Ambazonia, and will salute Dr. Cho Ayaba for a big victory for that publication because it don't help to inform the European Union and the European citizens them about the plight of the Ambazonian people and the life of our leader as a selfless person. Every day we see him within the ADF and the AGOF-C. If today some kind thing that they go on for ground zero, his personal they make his own personal dispensation them. We sometimes we do wonder how the man did manage his own personal life, but he's a great leader. We don't also see video they come out for Film Masha again. Film Masha for Lebialem because of this video. I go seek permission because some audio then they will be classified. I will seek permission from my boss Benedict Kwa and our SG and DDS Ayamba and Sheikh Avi for release some crucial video audio them about the activities of Film Masha in Ground Zero. The same activities them. I know one give the details now, but I will bring them up. We don't get the video. I don't know what's Film Masha they don't go carry some old moto. Say na Red Dragon don't go born La République du Cameroun their moto. These people
As
them.
you can see, these are the vehicles.
When I look the two moto them.
And 4 and 3 bikes
With the Mimbos.
with the BS are already on flames now. The DLM.
No, Doc. No, Kelebeki. We need to spare
This is a new
So when I go take motor then can put them for road burn am. They make all the movie them for proof waiting. We already know una very well. We know una activity them. In my next show, because of lack of time, I go seek permission for declassify some audio them from Film Masha for expose them. I go leave them for there. I no go about distract ourselves. But any man where he get common sense, he go know say you know if he attack La République du Cameroun their moto, so they burn them for the kind way. First of all their motor the way na Hilux, they run transformer with bulletproof. So this one no be Cameroon military vehicle. Next time Film Masha, if you even take plywood, cover them for this so that it will even look like Cameroon vehicle. At least it could be fools on Zanzam. The way they want to believe you. But this thing so it just be so ridiculous. When I stop for make the drama. Film Masha, all man knows say you need to fight. All man know who it be. The project for Film Masha it don't fail. I know even one waste my time for begin the talk about the exposed deal with that drama them. We'll get the real fighter that road. The last time we will destroy armored vehicle where General Rambo will destroy them when I see them for inside Okude. When I see them plenty time how other fighters and not only ADF when they shoot armor car how it look like. So me then stop that drama. Ladies and gentlemen, I go and take una, I go una before I want take una go for Kugwe. I want to take una for Batibo, for the Mogamo people them. When I see the bad image where Aringwa, he forced the Randuan for inside Batibo. I ran talk for the victim family. I ran talk for the victim, he colleague them. I ran interview them for get extensive information about what will happen for Batibo. Most of the local press and the international press that ran be engaged for this story. They ran contact us, give us information the way they get them. Some some human rights organization and too, all of them where they be involved for this war. They ran contact, they define out which way they happen, and we ran give them information. As we done tell now, Chris Anu, Samuel Ikome Sako are agents of La Republique working for the Cameroon government, and their actions are the actions of the Cameroon government. So this man where he done die, this was pastor where he done die, map bring the video. Now pastor where he be killed by La Republique, he agent them, Chris Anu, Samuel Ikome Sako, and Iringwa. This video, the audio, the one I will play them, the audio, the way it be available for the international community, NGOs, and all lawyers for Ground Zero. Why did it delay? So I have 1 block from this guy before I was able to segment. So it be very, very sad. I don't tell when I say the war against kidnapping for ransom, not the war for Ambazonian independence, because kidnapping for ransom now the greatest weapon where La Republique then successfully deploy them against our revolution, and we win that battle, we win them very, very well. There's one guy, how come I know the city guy named for here for block? He did not bite my belly. Anyway, man, no digress. So it be very important, me and Bazonia they know. Nothing shall be hidden under the sun. No cover up will succeed. We not go succeed with no cover up. The peaks, where they call them peaks, the pastors, interim government. I began talk from right from the beginning. The people there they began talk. There are 2 interim government. There can never be any 2 IG. The IG group or the interim group, there can never be 2. There is just one. The one which is being controlled by the traitors is the splinter one, as now everybody can see that, because white man they don't talk, I'm gonna go agree. But that is what we said from the onset. These guys are working for La Republique. They have been designated by the best institution we have in Ambazonia, the ADF and the AGOFC, as infiltrators. Because of evidence, it's not about propaganda, it's nothing. Chris Anu, Samuel Ikome Sako, and their crew, they do work directly for Cameroon, and their actions for the ground is proven. When I see how they be killed, the Godfather way be destroy the sonera, the exportation, them for protect our country from La Republique, they mean no get re-ammunition. When I see how they take and kill it, when I see how them force people they mean and kill General Ivor, when I see how they kill the Tigers the way they be there for Lebialem and the one for Manu, all those big fighters than before. When I see how they don't try to kill General Efang, when I see how they don't try to kill Araki, when I see how they don't try to destroy everybody for ban groups them. This one na action them for a people they did work for La Republique. If any Zanzam day where they still work for one for Bikindi argue, make una not bring up my platform. Now a fact says somewhere Ikome Sako don't take money for La Republique, Chris Anu don't take money for La Republique, and they do work for La Republique du Cameroon. Iringwa na their main person. As a matter of fact, when I hear testimony for Mbandam, where they talk about how they finance fighter them for ground through these people. So it be undisputed. Say their action now covert actions from the Cameroon government, the Cameroon military, as anti-revolutionary actions for destroy our revolution by promoting kidnapping for ransom. We be done talking right from the beginning. How they be start institute this tax system as a means for generate the fighting for the general and for ground for engineer this kidnapping for ransom through giving the forces authority to go and collect money, taxes from people. So that said, I want me to understand this case, because now one of a kind who never ever understand them. This pastor, this our pastor, Pastor Christopher, na a Bible translator. No be the first Bible translator this way they don't kill him. The first one where La Republic be kill him, they use na the Mbororo proxy group for inside womb for go attack that Bible translator. Because they know very well, say na a high profile group. They get representative them all over the world, especially for America. The Baptist Convention, one of the most powerful conservative lobby groups, then be behind this pastor them. So they know say if they kill this pastor, it go make headline news and it go tag Ambazonia like a terrorist group or people that they commit atrocity. Because this one na an unacceptable conduct. Say me them go kill a man like this. The man be killed by La Republique through their proxy group, through Iringwa, and through one forces, according to the information they get them. According to the information they get them, it shows say na the person where it likely kill this pastor na Leke Emmanuel, where na Iringwa they directly control na Iringwa a lieutenant for ground. Now the person where they want to have a disguise and by creating that distance between them and commando for use it for ground. So na person where it respond directly for Iringwa. The whole thing where it start now say they want bury people them because any man where they want go bury for village, Sako Ikome is restoration forces them. They tax their body them for collect money. Now if you imagine. So now for they where the pastor they can't for bring argument for day and a common thing. No be something where they fit kill this pastor. So this pastor no die now because he begin argument with like Emmanuel, Iringwa army for down there. No, now a precision strike for a high value target. Unara notice and say all the aspirante una say they used to choose bush follower them, prominent business people for kidnap them, for spoil the revolution. This one now one of the case where La Republique them send them and touch this general. It be very very sad. I'll play some of the audio them. Most of them didn't have their country talk, but it go show now the exchange way he get them with the killer them with the suspected killers because I know we'll try them crucify them now because those soldiers are misled, are being used by La Republique agents. But first, I want to first tell now who this pastor be. Pastor Christopher, now an honest man where he support the Ambazonian struggle 100%. Now a pro-independent pastor. Now person who wouldn't get contact with you before for fine inquiry. So na person where either stand on his right for say he support, not be say he support our independence or because na person will be neutral. But na person will then be honest for always talk about the fact say na the Cameroon army they work at key people them, na the Cameroon army they work at destroy Ambazonia. Now one of his last video then this way he came out before this incident what happened so that we're gonna understand because the narrative with the Cameroon government the one deceive the international community for talk na say this man died na because say if they support Cameroon government. Say this man they kill this man na because he be against Ambazonia. No, that is not true. So maybe gonna listen this video, gonna understand somebody say na cousin. I think if na a relative you go confirm what we talk because we no get conny for this show. So maybe gonna hear what way the Pastor Joseph Christopher Ibidi talk.
One of the translators for the Mogamo Bible Translation and Literacy Project.
And this one go give una a good idea why the Cameroon government want for kill the kind people them.
We came here because working in our community is not quite easy these days because of the crisis that is going on in Cameroon, especially the West Cameroon part. What I've experienced personally during this crisis that started in November 2016 is that people have to run away from the community because of their life. They fear losing their lives because the Cameroon military, we don't understand their mode of operation. There are times that people are killed because they said they were found where they could not present the identification paper. There are times people are killed when they even had the identification papers on, but the military had their own reason for shooting them down. Another time we were trying to go to Boya, and the military of Cameroon, they stopped us around the Mai 18 from Manfei town. That is a portion where the road crosses River Manyu. And this military guy, they told us that these are live bullets that were going to shoot people. So I was wondering, what did we do to them that they plan to shoot at us?
So una here na an honest pastor. You feel classify as a sympathizer for the revolution. Una ran here, it talk la republic, the threaten for kill them, it give accurate report about the conduct of La République du Cameroon across our territory, intimidating people, executing people for no good reason. These are the type of people La République is trying very hard to silence them, including Aya Paul. There are many of the way that try to kill them. And now they use na so-so Ambazonian forces the way they under traitors them, where they control them for execute these people. Now the reason this way they kill this man, because he report that day for plenty international organization them, where they don't call you for inquire. When sometimes one knows the truth about what really happens, sometimes a gun will call you to for ask and say, now wait till it happen, he go always talk. So now the people in this way, La République, then they always try to kill them. Now they want take one stone for shoot two birds. Now the audio then this word and get them, some of the last audio them way he be released them before he one die. Where they talk about a confrontation between the person who believe say now he likely be the killer, where he work with Aringwa. I wanna know very well say Aringwa be an agent planted by Mbandam, where he work for La République du Cameroon their agenda. And this man, this pastor, na pastor where he brother na former SDF mayor. And when I know say most SDF people them for ground zero na sympathizer them for our revolution. Even though their leader them, they get their agenda and their secret deal with the regime, their supporters them and members them na sympathizer and supporters of the Ambazonian struggle. So now one of those things in this way don't put this man against La République du Cameroon where they feel the need for crushing. If you go for Bui, you go see say the category of people the way they target them now also SDF people the way they be sympathetic to this struggle, because the people the way they get deal for help La République for destroy this our people them, they already know this player the way they support and they sympathize with the boys the way they don't pick weapons, and they feel say by eliminating this SDF grassroots people them, they would cut off the support between the Amber boys and the local community. Now why that way victims them like Pastor Christopher then be targeted by covert action of La République du Cameroon through their proxy forces using actors like Aringwa and Samuel Ikome Sako to carry out this crime. Samuel Ikome Sako, Aringwa and all their cabal. So anybody who is being lured into this group of criminals, know that one day you will be culpable, because the money we want to donate for them, they need to use that money, and we know very well now. Say they need to use that money for legitimate purposes, for fight for freedom, targeting legitimate targets, but they are using those money to assassinate people and commit war crimes. So people who are in that group, they should not say tomorrow, had I known. But this is a fact before your own eyes. An innocent man like this, an innocent man, they assassinate him. Ma put a picture, I think say a picture for a dead body already there online. Oh man, I see him. Now I picture this innocent pastor, they can't kill him. Some of the audio them, it didn't the one way they talk about the talk between you and that general.
Captain, Aji.
Now some of the audio than this, I just for sure now the material them. Some of them they out.
Yani mokondia ni mone akani.
Captain, I don't get the message. Also for me.
So I play one of the last recordings them when I message we send them for that Iringwa he army way he caused this issue.
Sima move my hand for una matters. Sima no overflow this matter go too far. You be tell me yesterday say you say if you take me go back, I answer question for all from Mogamo. And if you for answer question so long as I talk the truth. If we the top thing like we terrorize we, then wait till you and your colleagues when the leaders when they do now. Wait till you when they do now. It be just to say when I will capture person because he gives suggestion, go BT. It be just to say when I will capture person because he ask question, go BT. It be that just to say when I will capture person where Anyone just ask when I do something some way, you don't understand, we don't fight. Now catch and go beat it. People now they be of the age of na up papa them and mama them, they terrorize them. Who will be quiet? Man don't put my hand inside because they say die. Listen, you and your group. If they use gun for terrorize people, me I don't fear God. My Bible tell me say, any weapon formed against me, where I stand inside the truth, inside righteousness, it don't work. So listen very well and withdraw your statement and withdraw your forces from my life, from my family, from threatening me and threatening my people. Withdraw them as soon as you do it, it's for your good.
So now they threat them this way, if they talk about them with that Emmanuel Lekewe now the force way be answerable to Iringwa. These are the crimes of La Republique through these agents, Iringwa, Chris Anu, and Samuel Ekomesako. And I put all their followers, all their donors them, the few ones them within day because they are not many, to understand that associating with these people, you are becoming a co-conspirator for all these murders the way they go on. This crime do not represent the conduct of forces or people who are fighting for our independence. We will never cover up an innocent blood. We will not do that. We will never do that. Than for me, for sit and allow our innocent people to be killed, I better come up for this struggle. If not the conduct this for all the Ambazonia, their forces, I go better come up for this struggle. But we know say this is not the conduct of our forces. Because our forces them, now people the way they don't stand for sacrifice their own life to protect our people. It will be inconceivable, say for person who stand up for that purpose, go and kill an innocent person for this reason. We don't see all type of conflict between our people and civilians, but they have never resorted to use this type of deadly force. We believe strongly, say the death of Pastor Christopher, it not be just been about this argument. This argument and just facilitate for give a moral authority for those boys and for do way to where Iringwa, Samuel Komesako, they want do. The same how we don't see for womb. The same how we don't see for inside Banso. The one for Banso even include the killing of a chief by these criminals. Justice will meet them one day. Rest in peace, Pastor, and we'll continue to stand with you, stand with your family. They are already buried. We don't talk with them to find out more about which will happen. So before I go take Unamo go for Kugwe, as the peace it don't come back for Kugwe, the ADF they don't make peace with the people for Kugwe. They don't get a whole week for celebrate that peace, for chop with the people them, the fight that they don't come back, they mingle with the community. General Efang, it don't come back, it can meet up them. They don't everything don't come back to normal, they don't play games and stuff like that. And we are now good. This is what we do. Rebuilding our communities, protecting our communities. We don't kill our people. We don't do that. We are there for the people. Without the people, we will not be there. So I take una for inside Kugwe for showing them good news for all Ambazonian and peace-loving people them for the great job we already do. And we'll get big announcement and big things the way that they come within this month for our revolution. Big news that they come. I hope so if we get time to put them out there, but for the main moment, I put the video for Kugwe for sure now. The big news will come out from Kugwe with celebration between our people and the locals. We don't take place for 1 week straight for the peace we don't reign. The blockade don't be lifted. Everything it don't come fine. Apologies, shaking of hands, and everything is good. The devil have lost.
The general of ADF, General Efang.
And wait, we don't talk today.
There's a Kugwe village. We discovered the population of Kugwe. That is the Kugwe village. The population is a Kugwe village. Therefore, discover the population Kugwe village. As we told our eyes and Bazoya, today the 4th August 2020.
But now, any Ambazonian is right.
The quarter head and that is a
Any
Kugwe
Ambazonian
village.
is right.
That is superior of ADF. There are EFA.
For the crisis, would undergo for the hands of the
When I see stick with General Karam for hand. Wata na wata.
So man, no go to back. Talk another thing.
The general that among the people them.
The brain of man.
A general that among the people.
You don't ask one. cannot bring of man.
I got
When you go here, say no, not because of so, not no.
this. That is a picture of ADS. That is for 2020. There's a picture that is at the Kugwe village. The population that is at Kugwe village. The time for balance 1 or 2 things in Kugwe village. To the 4th August 2020.
Don't I see the village people they don't come out, their quarter head they don't come out, the elder they don't come out, can talk, everything they don't define, would forge forward, see boya. When I go see video then for the celebration, the games and everything will happen for Kugwe for 1 week, everything it don't go back, everything be good.
That is a good job. Yeah. This is Kugwe village. That's the population in Kugwe village. That's the population. Everybody be very happy in Kugwe village today.
So peace it don't return back for Kugwe, and all we will be happy now the land for General Mba Ivo na a very symbolic territory that for we the Ambazonia Defense Forces and our country, and I will be very happy for see those images and those footages. We don't talk for some of the people that will not even mention their name, community leaders, and they could rebuild their system back from crash. Across our territory, we are ruling. We see La Republic, they come with their terrorists, SDO, and their imposed mayors. They can't make their drama, them go back. They not live among the people freely like our general as an be. We will continue for the jam them one by one. Will they get better and better by the day? Big news that they come. Fat news that they come. I wonder who myself na whole man of spill out anything. But we don't see great victory them around across our territory. I know we'll spend time today to talk about those things because it be very late now, already 2 a.m. for night for here. So I'll need to take a rest. But things are going very good, extremely good. We'll also see how the spies them for La Republique du Cameroon on ground zero. They don't get big blow. With the unfortunate incident with the lady way happen for inside our capital city for Bamenda, we don't hear say the impact for all spies and blackleg them it don't be devastating. We hear say for that their spy center, that their blackleg centers, some of them run after that incident happened. It be unfortunate say those type of things that happen for war. But Ambazonian people they need to understand. Say during a time of war, if a Pekin when a 4-year-old he carry gun for a hand, I mean a Pekin carry gun for a hand, that Pekin be a legitimate target because that gun if he key person. If a Pekin carry gun for a hand, during war, that Pekin will be a legitimate target. So no matter how beautiful face, how good person be, how good the person fit twerk and display the joy of life, if that person is a blackleg, that means that person is a spy who have blood in her hand, in particularly, then that threat becomes an immediate threat to our soldiers and has to be dealt with. The Republic then be very desperate. They don't try for create some lie them with the hope, say I will provide more information for try to debunk those lies them. But I think say by now Ambazonian people them they know the truth already, they know the source for their credible information, and me and the ADF and the AGOFC they champion them for our revolution. We don't hear it, we don't talk about that particular incident, we not go give any further comment or any further information. We just regret say a girl like that will put a life in harm's way for such type of incident to happen. And now a strong example to remind our people about the consequences of such behavior. If you share intelligence, point house for your people then for La Republique, then go for that house, then go destroy all man for that house. Sometimes the key now the whole quarter, burn that quarter. What will it benefit you? You risk the whole future of 8 million people. For what? For 2,000, 3,000, we cannot sure say they pay that kind of spy them, even some better money. Make we close rank, we give more intelligence for our forces them. And also want bring big message for people them for Bamenda, from our general for Bamenda. They want talk say Bamenda, they want talk in particularly for people them for Sisia Kwata. People them for Sisia Kwata for Bamenda. Now a lot of Bamileke people then for that side of Sisia Kwata. They talk say some of them they try to disrespect our Independent Day goes down. They don't begin to sell bread, sell some kind of small thing for that side for Mobile. So it then become now a hub for violation for ghost town, for try to destroy the people's ghost town. It not be acceptable. So we want call all those tongue two people them where they stay for that side them for Sisia Quarter make them stop this activity. We then also talk say this coming from now henceforth there will be bomb attack around this specific place the one will give the name. The last time they be get some attack for inside around Junction, they for that new road for Junction where they go up for up station, another one they go for Mumezam, targeting that gendarme the way that terrorists where they come for that junction day. They want to take them out for that junction. So people they need to go around that junction. When I see that Kelebe, the moon and not go around them. Those areas they will be subject to further bomb attack. When I don't see the type of bomb the way it be capable. So many people them leave the place the way they see like Republic to Cameroon, their army them, me them come up for that area. So the place and where they go, it go be targeted. I will even put some of the pictures them so that mean people then be very sure of where to the talk. I'll give you some of the pictures them and videos of the Cameroon military they post them where they work around there, where the soldiers they already do our intelligence officer them. Because ADF get different soldiers the way they pick up intelligence and they get different one the way they must send that picture them from my phone. Wanna give me a moment. Okay. I don't know whether I will transfer as fast as I want, but I'll just put some of this picture them just for una for Siam. I wanna take this very, very seriously. Okay, these are pictures. Okay. Now some of the pictures in this way were intelligent officer the one gather them. Oh, this computer. I know we don't connect our power. Just give me a moment. Okay, now some of the Kelebe and this from this picture then come up from our intelligence unit. They repeatedly pass for this place them every day. So these places them will be subject for attack. Maybe next week, maybe the week before, but what forces them then decide to put out the I decide to put out the video them in the images anyway. This place in a frequent place in La Republic, the army I don't put that video. There are frequent places where the army they go they all this time to patrol them. They will be subject to attack, bomb attack. So many people they not go for day. Some their posts on their control point for around Dreamland. That area it will likely be one of the areas of attack. You get the one for Gang Junction, it will be a possible area for attack. You get the one for Blue Pear Hotel, around Blue Pear Hotel there, it will be a possible area for attack. You get the one for My 4, then get play the patrol there for My 4. Around My 4 Junction there, it will be possible area for attack. You get the one for Apostolic Church Junction, it will be an area for possible attack. You get the one then for City Chemist, that position of City Chemist, it will be area for attack. You get another checkpoint where they for around Tuba Council, in particular, where they go towards that side of Bambili. Those areas they will be subject for attack for our ADF Bamenda Brigade. They will launch some series of attack for those places and me trader them. Their respect goes down. Me a Kelebe then leave our town. We go chase them out of our town. So me gonna be aware of this particular location and me civilians them. Then avoid those areas them in particularly me they no go close to La Republic du Cameroon. They forces them in those areas because we go likely use explosive device for target those threats them against our population when I also act them for violation of our sovereignty. So my country people, I will leave una now and we will come back tomorrow because of lack of time. I know we go inside our defense, but our CIC it don't report on some of those attacks away. It don't go on successfully. One time Babam for a picking the police up. Bang we wrote there for the attack where they don't take them. It never yet come up for social media yet. I never see La Republic announce them, but they always try to hide their own casualty them for this war. We will continue. The focus will be focused 100% for our mission, and we'll be very happy for tell when I say we'll be now the biggest faction, the faction where they get the highest support for the Ambazonian people them, and when they count on we for our liberation. We are leading the revolution, and we are going to lead it without any compromise of the core of the aspiration of our people for independence. Diplomatic side, they go on very well, very, very positively. Next time we will get time to give all the information and all the updates. May God bless you now. Una stand up fine. Una pray for our boy them that they go through a tough battle against an army way, a genocidal army, an army where they commit crime there for war. They need to take no prisoner them. So we're gonna keep them for their prayers. May God bless una fine and make our revolution be short. May our independence, freedom, and democracy in Ambazonia be forever. God bless you.